In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the days between two dates in Salesforce, a straightforward process that can streamline your data management and analysis tasks. Whether you're managing project timelines or tracking customer interactions, this functionality can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce account. So, go ahead and open Salesforce. You should see the familiar dashboard once you're logged in. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there. Click on it. This icon is your gateway to the settings area, also known as the setup menu, where you can make various customizations and adjustments to fit your business needs. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll want to select Setup from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to the setup page, which is essentially the control center for your Salesforce environment. Next, we need to locate the Object Manager. To do this quickly, use the Quick Find search bar. It's typically on the left side of your setup page. Enter Object Manager into the search bar and hit Enter, or you can simply click on it when it appears. You'll be taken to a list of all objects available within your Salesforce system. From this list, you need to choose the particular object you wish to work with. This might be contacts, invoices, or any other object where calculating the days between dates is relevant for your workflow. Clicking on the object will allow you to access its details. Inside the object, look for the option labeled Fields and Relationships, and go ahead and click on it. This section is where you manage the fields within your chosen object, including creating new ones and modifying existing ones. Here, you'll want to click on the New button. It's time to create a new field, and for the type of field, we're going to select Formula. This selection is key because it will allow us to set up the field to calculate the number of days between two dates automatically. Select it, and then click Next. Now you'll encounter a section asking for some field details. Fill this out as needed. Make sure it's descriptive enough so you and others can easily figure out its purpose in the future. After filling in the details, click Next to move forward. You'll arrive at the formula editor. Here's where you'll input your specific formula to calculate the difference between your designated date fields. Craft your formula carefully to ensure its accuracy within your particular context and needs. Once you're satisfied with the formula, go ahead and click Next. Now you'll set field level security to control which profiles can see or edit the field. Decide on the visibility settings according to your preference and organizational policy. When you're done, simply click Save. And that's it. You've successfully set up a field to calculate days between dates in Salesforce. This simple but powerful tool can greatly enhance your data analytics capabilities by providing valuable insights at a glance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.